Hey guys, what's going on? So right now, I'm going to be changing my back tire because my back tire, I don't know if you'll be able to see, but it's got like no tread on it. And I'm going to pretty much be doing what you do in cars and switch them with the front because the front, even though they don't look like they have that much, it's way better than the back. Okay, the camera doesn't really do it justice, but they are, just trust me. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing that on my bike. It's a Marlin 5, it's a trek bike. 2015, I think. Yeah, it's a nice bike. I will be doing that. I will be changing the front and the back very shortly. It is, what time is it? 9:48. I have exam at 10:40, so I'll probably leave around 10ish, I think. I don't really know. Yeah, I'm gonna be changing out these tires, hopefully. Hopefully they fit and everything and work well because I get no traction on this anymore unless I'm landing all the way back. But yeah. So there's that. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna see you guys after I get done with my exam and we'll be right back at it. The brand new VTI.
I want to go home.
They do?
Yeah.
So we're back. I finished exams. This dude, he ended school yesterday.
Yeah.
I ended
awesome.
today. How was it?
It was pretty fun.
Did you have a lot of tests, or was it just a chill day?
It was chill.
Did you get a
like, for
haircut?
the past 2 days.
Did you get a haircut?
Like a month ago.
Oh, it looks just nice today. It just looks nice today. I don't know why. But we're gonna be changing this tire.
Yeah, this really
To that-
crappy bike that no one gives a crap about.
Dude, shut up. This bike is worth more than that.
Was this like, wait, how much was this?
It's like 500, 400. And you still need a bike.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah. As you can tell, this is way better than that.
You just need
So I don't know where to set.
can tell.
I don't know where to set this. I don't know where to set this. Jack, you hold it. You videotape. You be the videotaper, man. Okay. No, not like that. Oh my gosh. This is awkward. You got that quick release life, man. If you want to see, you just tap the screen. Oh, I probably got the screen all dirty, didn't I?
Yeah, you did. Oh, I don't know what he did.
What did you
Okay,
do?
never
What did
mind.
you do, Jack?
Okay.
Dude, I can't. There. Oh, come on.
Just wiggle it.
I have to get this one just a little bit more. There we go. Now we can tie these back up so that.
Dang, where'd you go in? Like,
Oh, where was
I was like afraid of diarrhea.
Oh, that's back by the two mountains
Oh, way over there.
where we went mudding before.
Oh.
Oh, by over there.
Yeah, we
Dude, I
went,
have no idea.
we went muddy.
Oh, I'm gonna change this. Dude, I have a piece of gum. That's flat. Probably disgusting. I don't want it.
Bruh.
Catch it. First person catch it. Oh, he probably didn't catch
Oh wait.
it. Oh wow, he caught it.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one's gonna be a pain in the ass.
Dang it,
This
this one-
chain.
Bad thing about this is that I have to unwrap it. with
Wait,
one
so what
hand.
year is this in? I think it's one.
It shouldn't be
Dude, I have to make sure I remember. See, look how easy that is compared to like, just boom, the quick releases. If you don't have one, get one because they are bay.
Oh, did you see that one text that I gave you? Like I sent you
Nope.
a couple days ago?
I literally don't think I like get your text or something. I don't know.
No, cause you said I said hi, and then you said
Oh,
something. God dang it!
look at this. He failed. Dude, I can't unscrew this. Dude, I can't unscrew the cap. What the? Jeez.
Wow. I might eat it.
You're a bad kind of guy.
Yeah. Oh my god, dude.
I have to deflate it so I can get the tire off.
Oh.
R.I.P.
Who cares about him? There's a red can. Or
That's where we test that bulb motor.
no, this is where we explode things. Like right now, it's just filled with water. And I'm gonna drop it.
I need a waterproof case so bad.
You do. You had one. But yeah, I'll be back.
Oh, I got it out. Yeah, I twisted it. That was twisted on there really hard.
Yeah, wow, you're so good at this.
I'm just making. Shut up. At least I have a decent bike.
Yeah, but right now it's a piece of crap.
Look at that. I don't want to drop like
That's naked.
$100 on new tires. I don't want to get those Walmart tires that I saw before.
Yeah. Wait, do they see your radiation? Up there.
Oh no. Oh, we got to flip. No, we're saving that for a different video. We're saving it for a different video. Because Lord knows that we won't have that much videos.
Yeah.
I know you're laughing, but when your friends don't help you and you have to do everything by yourself, this is the only way to do it. Crap.
Hey, you just gave me the GoPro. Time lapse.
I would. Ooh, maybe I should. Well, let's get set it up. I'm gonna time lapse like parts of it. So this would be like time lapse of this, of getting the tubes out. Not tubes out, but tires off.
Yeah.
So you gonna help me, Jerry?
I don't know.
You gonna do this time lapse, or are you just gonna say hello?
I'm just.
That's me both. Can you at least try like the GoPro's like, oh, whatever. Okay. What do you mean? Oh, I really wish I had a chair right now. Oh, that was so easy. That was too easy. Is it like in a very good light?
Do you want to see your face?
Kind of. I just want to make sure they see like something.
Yeah, you had it a little bit too close. Oh. I had a Gatorade before I came over.
You did?
Yeah.
That's fantastic, dude. You're like so cool.
Yeah. It was purple. That's great. Great too.
Oh my god, this dude. Look at this dude.
It's a hoop, guys.
Oh. What?
Damn, this is one crap. I'll tell you that.
See, this is like the part where I like slow down the time lapse and I just play this. This is so much easier than a BMX tire.
Well, yeah, because of BMX is a BMX. And this is a mountain bike.
Thank you. It's probably the smartest thing you've said
Yeah.
in this whole video. I think there's baby powder in this. I'm gonna try not to use the tool. There we go.
Oh, wow. Let's go.
Why are you doing that there? Boom. So now I have to get all these back in.
Just get her in there.
Just keep it going.
So, what are you gonna do after this?
I kind of wanted to do that challenge. You know what I'm talking about? Rims, four-wheeler shoot. You lose, you get pelted.
All that?
Yeah.
My mom's home.
Oh, she wouldn't.
Yeah, she wouldn't want that.
Okay, it's actually probably easier if we tube out. You got a stuffer up in there, eh? Stuff the burrito. Stuff the burrito. Stuff the burrito. Why am I thinking burritos?
I don't like Mexican food, so
Dude, shut up, you racist.
I'm a racist.
Food racist gone sexual. Oh! It's a YouTube meme thing, you don't know.
I know.
You don't understand. Come on, go in. Why?
Guacamole. Guacamole. Oh, I'm a really bad camera person.
You're just realizing that now?
Yeah.
Why is it?
This has been on for 5 minutes. Almost 6 minutes.
That's great, Jack. I'm glad you're helping.
It's been on for 6 minutes. And you can film for 3 hours and 24 minutes.
That's great, Jack.
Yeah.
So glad I have you as a friend.
What would you do without me?
A lot of stuff. Dude, this is so painful right now. I feel like I'm doing this wrong, man. You know, like, do you even know how long it's been since I put on a bike tire, dude? Like, pretty long. Like, maybe even...
I remember you used to do it all the time. Boo boo! I think he's gonna get his drugs. They left.
Yep, he's definitely gonna go get drugs.
Yeah.
There we go. Boom! There's one done.
You suck.
Why do I suck?
Because you thought it was 500.
So?
Really? 450.
You thought you could make it through a mud pit.
Let's go. I don't care, man. Here's his phone.
We already saw it in the episode.
Yeah, but this is like
Get
up
off
close.
my phone.
It's Thursday. It's the 2nd. It's 2:30 p.m. Who's that? Facebook from Skylar.
Oh, Skylar from him. I was hanging out with him yesterday.
Oh, that guy with the snapping turtle.
Yeah.
Oh.
And then he was like, on my story, he was like, wait, that's in cold? Crap.
It's usually like a cinematic. Like,
My
Home
thought
dad
of a cinematic would be like from here, like slowly panning over, like that.
oh, okay.
Like cinematic shot of you. Ready? Oh God. Why do you always squint when you look up?
I don't know.
Are you afraid like a person like?
No, 'cause I'm
go
Asian,
voodoo
dude.
on you?
I'm not even Asian, but yet I feel like I'm Asian.
You're Asian?
No, I'm not Asian, but I feel like I am.
Oh God.
I am one with the Chinese people.
Oh God.
Yes.
Taiwan.
About time.
I don't know why, but I feel like a tube's twisted.
What is it? What's in that?
That's motor oil. Milk motor.
Oh, for that tractor. That is.
No, for the boat motor.
Oh, for the boat.
I said boat motor.
Oh.
This dude.
I misunderstood. Okay, man.
Alright, man.
Yeah, I'm gonna kick the ball in first person. Wait for the guy with the drugs pass. Bye.
Yeah. Jack. That's what you on the woods. You have to get it.
First. Oh, went across the street. Run. I'm gonna kick the ball again. 3, 2, 1. Ooh.
That's probably one of your best kicks I've ever seen.
No, you seem better.
You didn't follow it?
I did. But I don't know.
Huh?
Oh, dude. So yesterday we were playing football and it was tackle.
Wait, who are you
So-
playing with? What school?
Like, yeah. And honestly, I have no idea it was tackle. And
How did you not know it was tackle? You did not say, oh, we're gonna tackle your ass.
well, like, cause they just change it, right? Like, randomly they change it to 2-hand tackle.
2-hand tackle.
No, 2 tackle. Then like they switch it off.
At school. That
Yes.
wasn't allowed.
So they kicked it. We were the returning team. Well, I was on the returning team. I caught it
Why didn't I just
and
use,
I scored a touchdown.
why didn't I just use their
That's so easy. It would be a lot easier.
Well, it went fast and not.
It'll probably blow your tire out.
But no, then I had to like clean it all up. Maybe this was probably easier. It's not as funny as you think. Not if the front break back in. Get closer, Jack. I'm telling you why. Okay, maybe a little too close. There's only one way this can go on. What am I thinking? You
Wow,
were
so
talking-
interesting.
Wait, you were talking about Jordan, but yet I don't think they know who Jordan is. Unless they've subbed for a
Well,
long
Jordan
time.
knows.
Well, Jordan knows himself, yes, of course he does.
Yeah. There's YouTubers from Korea. Oh, they.
Shit, I have no idea how.
Y'all stop it.
I think it might be this one. Oh yeah, it was this way, wasn't it?
Do you want to Google it?
You also want to try out anything.
Yahoo.com.
/dirty toilet.
Onto Yahoo onto
/ here there where the toilet is.
Fortnite.
Do you know what video I'm talking about? Oh, you should probably make sure that this is lined up. In case you're a fellow biker and you are doing your switching out tires or
So interesting. It'd be a shame if someone just kicked your seat.
oh, wouldn't. There we go. What are you doing?
Oop, it did not kick your seat by accident. You should put a GoPro mount. Like
See, now it's all wobbly, wiggly. Now I have to do the little adjustments. I can put one. Wait, hold up. I've put in one right here before, but I once again I want the waterproof case because that thing I know definitely will get dirty.
You're probably gonna take that out.
I mean, take what out?
What you just did.
What, you think I did it wrong? You know what, Jack? I'm tired of negativity. Respect my authority. Ouch. Authority. Damn it. Why is it wibbly wobbly? I don't know, but I could take it into my friends and you could probably do an alignment maybe on it. Let's just see if I actually feel it. So that's gonna do it for today's video. No. We changed the bike tire and that's pretty much it for today's video.
Yeah.
I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, subscribe and leave a like, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Dude, my mom's plants.
I'm sorry. Okay.